Our mission here at Exponential Impact, we're about the best entrepreneurs humanly possible. We want to come alongside at different seasons of their lives because I think, entrepreneurs made or are they trained? I think it's a little bit of both. But wherever they are, we want them to be the best humanly possible. And we'd like this to be a hub of a special energy in Colorado Springs with both our emerging technology track and our Survive and Thrive program. This can be a hub for a special energy and care we have in our community for each other. And so we encourage everybody to get involved and to know about Exponential Impact.
The road to entrepreneurship is one only few travel. Join me as I explore what it takes to risk it all and follow your dreams. To find out what happens when you face your greatest fears in hopes of achieving the life you've always dreamed of. To appreciate the journey and truly embrace what we learn along the way. On the road to Rise. To watch now, say Comcast Rise into your Xfinity voice remote.
At Pinnacle Advanced Primary Care, we're leading family medicine to new heights, delivering cost-effective care without the need for insurance, co-pays, or deductibles. Members benefit from strong doctor-patient relationships, convenient access to care, and cost-effective treatment options. Begin your health confidence journey with Pinnacle. Get back in the driver's seat of your health and wellness, and join our practice today.
Space business, an unlimited frontier, abundant in resources, limitless potential. At UCCS, we are in the business of building successful futures in space. Our graduate certificate and MBA in Space Cyber Enterprise Management will launch your career in the space sector. You will find your path at UCCS. Start your future in space cyber today.
Welcome to Small Business Week 2024. I'm Brandon Lee with Edison Apps, and today we're going to be talking about emerging technologies and reshaping the future. In today's rapidly evolving world, emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, Internet of Things or IoT, and 5G are reshaping industries globally at an unprecedented pace. These groundbreaking innovations are not only redefining how we live and work, but also converging to create new solutions and unique challenges that we need to overcome. As technological advancements accelerate, businesses must stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive and thrive in the digital age. Thinking about AI. When you're looking at these three topics, machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, this is really what the core of AI is. So we start with machine learning. It's been around for decades, but today's algorithms are creating opportunities where they can predict outcomes and adapt to new scenarios that are making AI applications far more accurate and far more efficient than they've ever been. Natural language processing, this technology is powering virtual assistants that you already talk to today, chatbots, and even language translation tools. Understanding and using human-like dialogue helps this chatbot and these virtual assistants to create seamless communications between humans and AI. When we think about robotics, from manufacturing to healthcare, robots are revolutionizing industries by performing complex and repetitive tasks that require minimal human intervention. AI is already benefiting some small businesses and large businesses through tools like customer service chatbots and predictive analytics. If you've ever engaged on a website in the last year or 2 years, you've noticed the influx of chatbot availability. This provides 24/7 availability for customer service agents that can not only handle multiple queries simultaneously, but they also help and improve the overall customer experience. Predictive analytics can help you forecast on consumer behaviors as well as business outcomes. And this will aid businesses in their strategic decision-making capabilities, as well as predicting viable outcomes for their new product releases or new channels that they're looking to engage in. Overall, we are increasing the ability for humans to perform much more meaningful work while eliminating or reducing some of the redundant and time-consuming tasks that are saturating the market today. But that's not all. Let's talk a little bit about blockchain. So blockchain technology, it's already been around. Everybody sort of knows about it from Bitcoin and trading, but blockchain has been already introduced into a number of different markets with a bunch of fantastic transaction technology that is really going to shape the future of how money is transferred in the digital age. With secure transactions, it's a decentralized and immutable nature, helps ensure that data cannot be altered or tampered with, and it makes it ideal for secure record keeping and financial transactions. Smart contracts, these are something that they've been around for quite a while. They help automate contractual terms without needing human intervention. They also reduce the risk of errors and disputes while ensuring transparency and accountability. And then using blockchain for supply chain management, this really is revolutionizing how supply chain management is being enacted today, providing a transparent and secure record of transactions, and also enabling real-time tracking of goods and reducing the risk of frauds and counterfeit. A real-life example of a business using blockchain is TradeLens. This is a platform developed by Maersk and IBM. TradeLens uses blockchain to streamline shipping logistics, automating paperwork, and ensuring secure and transparent handling of their transactions through smart contracts. Let's take a look a little deeper at what TradeLens is doing. So by automating the documentation process, TradeLens reduces the time needed to clear goods from customs and other verification processes. It also significantly speeds up the overall shipping times. The efficiency they're gaining through the use of smart contracts and TradeLens helps reduce costs associated not only with document processing, but also with dispute resolution. This also lowers the risks of fraud and errors, leading to more secure transactions. Now, if we're going to connect some more of our technology together, we're going to talk about the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things is basically a network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data, enabling businesses to gain valuable insights and optimize their operations. IoT devices equipped with sensors and connectivity can provide real-time data of inventory levels, tracking consumer behaviors, and even equipment performance and maintenance scheduling. This allows for more informed decision-making for small and medium businesses. Let's dive a little bit deeper into how personalized marketing is impacted using IoT and how it's making the customer experience better. You've all heard of Starbucks before. You've probably all used the Starbucks app. And Starbucks is a prime example of how a company leveraging Internet of Things technology can enhance customer experiences and personalize their marketing efforts. Starbucks coffee machines are equipped with IoT sensors that not only track customer preferences and behaviors, but they also collect data on beverage choices, customization preferences, and purchasing frequency. The data is then utilized to send personalized marketing messages and offers to that consumer through the Starbucks mobile app and email. By providing personalized offers and suggestions, Starbucks enhances their customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to increased sales of promoted items and optimizing their marketing efforts and ROI. Now, there are numerous benefits of using IoT. However, data security and privacy concerns must be addressed. We need to enable robust security measures to protect IoT data from breaches or from businesses misusing this data and ensure that we have some type of compliance and privacy laws and regulations enabled. So how are you going to keep up with the Internet of Things or even just the technology that is on the doorstep? It's moving fast and it's only going to get faster. 5G technology is the latest generation of wireless technology. This promises to revolutionize business operations with its unprecedented speed and reliability. With ultra-low latency and high bandwidth, 5G opens up new possibilities for industries ranging from entertainment to healthcare. The widespread deployment of 5G has broader implications, with the potential to disrupt industries like telemedicine and automated driving, which I'm sure you've all seen either on I-25 or in your daily driving, where you have automated driving machines already operating in our daily lives. The benefits of 5G are really, we're on the horizon of those at this point. There is significant infrastructure investments that still need to be made and upgrades to existing equipment in order to ensure that 5G is not only widespread throughout availability, but also that its adoption rate continues to grow as the technology becomes more available. So how are we going to pull all of this new technology together for small businesses? Really, to stay competitive in today's rapidly evolving business landscape, small businesses must embrace emerging technologies and integrate them into their operations. When you're looking at customer engagement, operational efficiency, and data-driven decision-making, each one of these sectors is really going to be where you're going to find the competitive edge for your business. By adopting artificial intelligence, chatbots, or service agents, using blockchain technology for smart contracts, investing in Internet of Things devices that can help you understand your customers' behavior, and then utilizing 5G for not only augmented reality or virtual reality, but also for the speed of communication of your technological devices through your business, are ultimately going to help you improve not only customer engagement, but it's going to help you streamline your operations and help you gain a competitive advantage over businesses that are not adopting these technologies as rapidly as you are. There are collaboration tools, CRM systems, and even e-commerce platforms that are already enhanced by AI and IoT that can be excellent starting points for you to get into improving your customer engagement and your operational efficiencies. Here's a few examples of businesses that are already employing these technologies, and they're making a difference for their customers. Now, I won't read all of these details of the slide because we're going to make this slide presentation available to you later today, but I want you to understand that there are a number of companies that you're already familiar with, that you've probably already done business with in some capacity, that are already using these technologies and just making leaps and bounds in how their companies are integrating the future of technology right here today. So what I really want you to also take into consideration is that there's affordability and effectiveness that comes along with these platforms, that as you're investing into them and you're investing into your business to be able to operate with these new technologies, the ROI is going to be significantly greater than the expense. And as technology starts to become cheaper and more affordable and more available to small businesses, this is only going to increase in your effectiveness. So really, you need to brace yourself as a business, and you need to really understand that you are on the forefront of technology today, and you need to really jump on this train and grab onto the information that's available to you, as well as get into some learning habits about using some of these technologies in your business. By embracing these technologies, it's really not an option any longer. It's really a necessity in order for you to maintain a long-term success and competitiveness in your industry. And to thrive in this digital age, businesses have to really prioritize continuous learning and adaptability. And you'll see below, I've listed a number of different resources where you can get started if you already feel like maybe you're behind. There's some really affordable and accessible options for you to be able to start to get the information you need about implementing something with AI or blockchain or Internet of Things, or even utilizing 5G to a capacity that maybe you're not aware that you have the ability to use it in today. So staying informed, is really going to be paramount to understanding what's changing, how things are being impacted, whether it's new privacy policies or laws that are being enacted, or it's just the changing of consumer behavior in the market to being able to implement these techniques and these tactics in your business. So take a look at these resources. Again, these are going to be available to you later today. We'll provide this presentation to you, but thank you for your time today. Enjoy the rest of Small Business Week, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon.